everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today I have a full tutorial and review on some new products from Maybelline. Now I don't know how long they've been out on the market for. I really haven't seen any videos or any reviews on these products. When I went into my local Walmart, I seen them. I was like, ooh, let's pick these up. The great thing about these products is that they do retail under $10 Canadian. And I'm talking about these products right here. So this one here is the Maybelline New York, and this is the Color Strike Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Pen. I did get mine in the shade Tempt, which is a matte finish. And I also picked up two of their Lifter glosses. I have the shade 002, which is Ice, and 008, which is Stone. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the information about the eyeshadow. So it says that it's strike the old rules of shadow. Meet eyeshadow in one strike. Introducing Maybelline New York's Color Strike Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Pen for up to 12 hours bold color impact in one simple strike. Zero fallout, crease resistant, fade resistant, and smudge resistant. Color Strike is not your average eyeshadow. The unique cream to powder formula simply glides on with no mess and no hassle. Thanks to its precise cushion tip. Strike in a line, strike all over, blend it, change it up. And in this product, you are getting a total of 0.012 fluid ounces. Now the information for the Lifter glosses. Meet Maybelline's New York new next level lip gloss. Hydrates lips, fuller look. This breakthrough formula with hyaluronic acid visibly smooths lips surface, enhances lip contour with the high shine for hydration, fuller looking lips. Plus, its extra large wand transforms lips in an easy one swipe application. This hydrating lip gloss is available in a full range of modern shades like pearl, ice, amber, topaz, crystal, and more. Apply it for a hydrating, glossy shine and fuller look. And in these glosses, you are getting a total of 0.18 fluid ounces. So there you go. There was the full tutorial. Now, what are my final thoughts on these products? Let's talk about the eyeshadow pen first. The Color Strike Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Pen, which I think is really neat. I do love the color, and I love the applicator because it makes it so easy for you to apply the shadow. If you just want to have one color on your eyes and one color only, this is very easy to apply. I will give it that. As I'm looking into my mirror right now, I do see a little tiny bit of breakage, like a little bit of fading right here. And this was the eye that I applied my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer to. But other than that, the color is still pigmented. It's still beautiful. On this eye where I applied no primer, once again, a little tiny bit of breakage and fading from the color, but it is still pigmented. I really love this look that I created. It definitely blended out very easily with my brush. Like, this is a one-step look, and it's so easy. I think also this would be great as a base for your eyeshadows. So if you have beautiful purple tones or like those berry tones and you just want to make it a little tiny bit darker, I honestly think this would be great just to apply a little tiny bit on the outer corner of your eye and then take a shadow, and I think it would give it a beautiful vampy look. I really do love this look that I created. Like I said, it's very easy, just one step and go. I kind of prefer, just to let you know which eye do I prefer the most, the one without the primer or the one with the primer. I honestly think the one without the primer looks better, and that's like, whoa, because this eye primer I absolutely love. But I just think it looks a little bit more, I don't know, it just looks a little bit more softer, a bit more finished compared to this eye. And I did the same techniques to each eye. That's the only difference, is just the eye primer. But all in all, I think this is a little great, like, one step go eyeshadow. And there was like quite a variety of shades there, and there was another shade there, and I wish I could remember the name of it, but it looked like a very soft pink, like with a little hint of sparkle to it. And I really wish that I had to pick that up because I think that would be great like for the summer, as where this one here is definitely more of a fall vampy look. Now for the Lifter glosses. Love the packaging. I really, truly do. I love these glosses. I'm happy I got the clear one, the ice one, and the shade Stone. They do come in a variety of shades. So these are really, really comfortable. You know, in the beginning when I first started doing makeup, I was never one for glosses until I got the Marc Jacobs gloss, the Fenty Beauty, Patrick Ta. Like, I love those glosses, and even a hard candy gloss, which I really like as well. These ones here are beautiful. They glide on so easy. I love the applicator from these glosses as well. They're really nice and full, and they just glide on so gorgeous, and they're very like, it's a slippery gloss, but at the same time it's like a plushy gloss, and there's no tackiness, no stickiness, and I just love how full they do make my lips. And I could really see myself using this shade right here in Ice, like do a beautiful nude lip liner and then just pop that on. And then this one here by itself, Stone, is gorgeous. I am so impressed with these glosses. These are definitely going to be my go-to glosses, that is for sure. So you guys, that's my final tutorial review and thoughts on the new Maybelline Color Strike eyeshadow pen, cream to powder finish, along with the Lifter glosses. I am really super impressed with these products, that is for sure. And I do find that the drugstore is really upping their game in the makeup industry, which I'm so happy about, because it's very inexpensive and you're getting that high quality look without the high quality price, which I really like. Let me know in the comments down below, have you tried any of these new products from Maybelline, or what are your go-to Maybelline products? Let me know in those comments down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.